Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved used Audi A3 Sportback S-Line 30 TFSI with the S-Tronic gearbox. Now this particular example is finished in the optional Daytona grey pearlescent paintwork, which is really give it that standout road appearance. Now as we look towards the key features, and with this being the S-Line trim level, it does mean the vehicle benefits from the additional S-Line styling such as the front bumper and the front splitter design, along with that rear diffuser and these side skirts as well. Moving towards the front of the vehicle now, we do find these fantastic LED headlights which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Down towards the alloys, we find these exceptional 18-inch 8.5 Y-spoke Apos design diamond cut alloys, and they do really complement that lovely grey paintwork. To the side of the vehicle now, there is that rear privacy glass, which does keep the rear occupants in view, and is also useful for keeping those valuable items from view as well. Now moving into the rear boot space of the A3 Sportback, where we find up to 380 litres of storage capacity, so a large amount for a hatchback of this size. This can easily accommodate one larger suitcase, as well as a few additional bags. Moving into the rear seats now, we do find a full leather interior with the additional white stitching to complement. As well as this, there is a leather sense armrest, which is fold down to present two useful cup holders, and there are Isofix points which are neatly located across the back row, which makes the A3 perfect for family usage. Moving into the front now, we do find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as leather, dynamica and aluminium, as well as the upgraded 3D surround Bang & Olufsen stereo, which is a part of the technology package which is fitted to this particular example. Above now we find the virtual cockpit, which does feature the two digital rev counters, as well as having access to telephone connectivity, radio stations and vehicle data. Now to the centre of the dashboard, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does feature the satellite navigation, as well as having access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Just below this now we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and you will notice that there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again, we do find the optional reversing camera, which does make this A3 much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved used Audi A3 Sportback S-Line, which is now available at Stafford Audi. For more information, please don't hesitate to get in touch with our sales team.